Bitcoin fundamentals encompass the foundational aspects that define and underpin the world's first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the Bitcoin space. Here are key aspects of Bitcoin fundamentals. Decentralization. Definition: Bitcoin operates on a decentralized peer-to-peer network, meaning there is no central authority or intermediary overseeing transactions. Significance: decentralization enhances security, reduces the risk of censorship, and promotes trust in the absence of reliance on a single entity. Blockchain technology. Definition: Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain, which consists of a chain of blocks containing transaction data. Significance: the blockchain ensures transparency, immutability, and traceability of transactions, providing a tamper-resistant record of all Bitcoin transactions. Consensus mechanism, proof of work, POW. Definition: Bitcoin miners use computational power to solve complex mathematical puzzles in the POW process, validating transactions and creating new blocks. Significance: POW ensures security and decentralization, requiring significant computational effort to alter transaction history. Limited supply, fixed cap of 21 million. Definition: Bitcoin's protocol dictates a maximum supply of 21 million coins, creating scarcity. Significance: limited supply is designed to curb inflation, echoing characteristics of precious metals like gold and contributing to Bitcoin's store of value proposition. Halving events. Definition: approximately every 4 years, the reward given to Bitcoin miners for adding a new block to the blockchain is halved. Significance: halving events reduce the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, impacting the inflation rate and contributing to the scarcity of Bitcoin. Wallets and private keys. Definition: Bitcoin wallets store private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing Bitcoin holdings. Significance: users need to secure their private keys to maintain control over their Bitcoins, emphasizing personal responsibility for security. Security features. Definition: Bitcoin employs cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Significance: robust security measures, including cryptographic hashing and digital signatures, protect against fraud and unauthorized access. Open source and community development. Definition: Bitcoin source code is open to the public, and its development is a collaborative effort involving a global community. Significance: open source nature encourages transparency, innovation, and a collective commitment to improving the protocol's robustness.